Hi guys! Today I want to show you how I cut my own hair. This is my first haircut since the lockdown started and this is my first time to do it. I'm a little bit nervous but I miss my short hair. Okay, so I'll be using a pair of scissors, just ordinary scissors, and a ponytail or hair tie like this one. Now I'm ready, and the first thing to do is to wet my hair, not dripping wet. And then I will tie my hair. Then I will cut this portion just right below the hair tie. And now the main event, hahaha. Since I can't see the back, I'm trying to feel the hair tie and where I'm supposed to cut. So if you want to do this, be careful. Make sure not to cut yourself. So I'm holding the hair tie and I'm trying to feel my hair as I cut it. And again, please be careful if you plan to try doing it. My advice is you put something to cover your neck at the back, like a cloth or something, so that it won't be messy like what happened to me here. And now I'm trying to polish the cut here. And now it's time to remove the hair tie, the moment of truth. Now I'm trying to feel where I need to cut some more at the back. And I feel that I need to cut some more on the sides of my hair. So as you can see, the cut is not perfect, but this is good enough for now because I'm still not comfortable to go to a salon because of COVID. And this is how it looks when it dried. I think I'm satisfied with my hair. If you like this video, please like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching. Bye!